idea of SkillFest is to create a support system for the coming generations and the society in Qatar by creating a platform to expose more light about the cultural, environmental, and educational aspects of the art and the craft society in Qatar. Secondly, we created SkillFest in order to give a chance actually for the art and craft society to have a platform to promote their skills and to move it from them into the coming generation, because most of these crafts has been disappearing with time and being lost with time, and SkillFest has to act as a platform where these skills can be nourished and moved and transferred into the coming generations. Our theme was like about the marine ecology or the marine creatures. The local marine photographers or underwater photographers like Azzam al-Manna'i and other photographers, the diversity of the art and craft society that we're having over here in Qatar, and to show it also like for the communities abroad, like what Qatar has through these aspects. Working with our social media partners, with Visit Qatar themselves actually, this platform can be turned from a local into an international one. As you know, this is the first edition of SkillFest, and it's happening in summer 2024. However, our target is to have a SkillFest every single year and to be promoting more about the cultural aspects, environmental aspects, more about the arts and crafts over here in Doha.
Where do I find inspiration for my designs? Well, I find inspiration in my family, my mother, her strength, and I find inspiration in her, in my family, in my country. The first advice I could give as a designer is believe in yourself, trust in your instincts, in your skills, visualize the finished job, and follow your instincts and your knowledge and your own skills to find a way of making it a reality.
طبعا صار في تعاون بيني ومع الباحث القطري أستاذ فيصل نعيمي. اخترنا الأسماك البحرية لأهميتها. بدينا بالفكرة نجمع بعض الصور على أساس أن ما نبتدي أي رسمة نرسمها من دون ما يكون عندنا رفرنس ان نشوفه، فجمعنا صور اللي هو القرش الحوت والسلحفاة واللقمة وايضا بقرة البحر، واطلقنا عليهم اسامي. الاسامي هذه على اساس تكون في ارتباط بينهم وبين الطفل او المشاركين في المهرجان. نصيحتي لاي شخص يبي يكون له حضور في اي ساحة من ساحات الفن من ناحية تصوير أو رسم أو حتى خط عربي، إنه يكون عنده رسالة يوصلها للعالم. لما تعطي للفن رسالة ممكن يوصل فنك إلى يعني أكثر شريحة من المجتمع.
Since cavemen, humans were used to create things that are bigger than their size and in a bigger scale, so then they get intimidated or have feelings toward the things that they create. In the digital world, you are limited with your imagination. But at the end of the day, both are tools to explain whatever you have inside your brain or inside your imagination to bring it to reality. In my point of view, both are equivalent, but the effect and the adrenaline that comes from each one is different. It hits in different spots of your brains. Traditional tools are as important and maybe more important than the digital ones because there is no limit to the scale of it. They can get one thing out of this, to have the courage, motivation to show what they've got, like what talent they have. Then this is a good beginning to a creative person, which we need.